essentially all we were doing was just reseating the turbo. I was having a little bit of a boost leak on the turbo, and one of the clamps, I guess maybe I forgot to tighten it all the way. Whatever it is, it was loose. So I just decided to reseat this, readjust my blanket, do some other taping, and just go over all the health, because we are going to continue tuning on street for now, because I missed my dyno session. And yeah, so we're back together. We're going to do a fuel kit unboxing. So, Innovate Motorsports fuel kit. We're going to do an unboxing on this. And then we're going to add some spacers to the rear of the car. And besides that, in the fuel kit, this should be done. Should. All right, so today we do have our fuel system, or to run E, which we can run these cars on ethanol no matter what, but just their content sensor really. So it's from Graveyard Performance, and it's the non-Bluetooth. You have to wire this in, but let's unbox it. I did order some other stuff with this, a 3D printed gauge pod as well. So, programming cable, our fuse tab, our sensor wiring for it. Probably gonna have to extend this just because of the way my car is laid out. Our actual ethanol sensor itself. Our U fittings for the car. Extra little silver pod. And we have our gauge itself. So this looks beautiful. Let me get this up in the camera. Hold on. Oh, right here. Look at that. Beautiful. And I got this 3D printed pod, so it'll sit right in there. And I can mount it cleanly. I don't like a lot of crap on my dash. And this is just a mount. So it's going to mount in my vent. This also comes with it. Got some stickers. And this is the brand. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get to it today, but this is what is to come for this car. And we have our little guide. So yeah, it was about $300 for this, which isn't terrible, but you know, for a plug and play system that works on your upgraded pumps and stock pump, very, very good deal. We're not doing any fancy edits here, but this is the fitment right now that we're working with here. So I can fit my entire hand up there. I just want to see if these spacers will bring out a little more. So you can see it's a little sunken. I just want to see if it brings out just a tad bit. So we're gonna give this a shot and see what we can do. All right, these I believe are 3mm hub centric They have the groove in them. In there, 5x108, thin, 3mm. We should be fine. This should bring it out just a little bit. So let's give it a try.
Being traditional, they are more concerned with maintaining a reputation for quality than they are with catching the eye. And being specialists, you have what you want, a wide range of choices.
It's honestly super subtle, but I can't get my fingers in there anymore. I think it's just enough. Oh yeah. That is perfect. Damn. Compared to that on the side, that's a huge difference in my opinion. Huge difference. Yep, that's definitely worth it. We're gonna be keeping those for sure. I won't bore you guys with the other side, but I'll show you the end result. So that's it. That's all we have today. A little reseat of the turbo, checking lines. We went ahead, showed off the fuel system for ethanol content reader, and we went ahead and threw some spacers on the rear that look fantastic. Other than that, the rest is street tuning until I save up for another dyno session. But we're almost there. The car is pretty much all that's left is tuning. If nothing else goes wrong. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Appreciate you guys for watching. See you in the next one.